Everyone on YouTube, hope everyone's well. Had a fantastic day today. Tonight I'm going to cook myself a curry. Right, ingredients: butter chicken. If you know, you know. But yeah, so it's a Sharwoods chef's special butter chicken curry kit. Picked it up earlier. Ingredients are there somewhere. So with that, I've got some chicken. I've got some mushrooms as well to chuck in there because that's always good in the curry, isn't it? Got an onion. I would say probably the main ingredient will be the jalapenos, or even the jalapenos. And then just to be different, I've got Katsu Curry inspired flavoured rice, Uncle Ben style. What's that say? It says probably nothing of what you want to see. Don't recycle. No, I think I was pretty much spot on before, wasn't I? There you go, so there's the ingredients there. Right. Just chopped up some onions. Just going to chuck another butter in there. Not the right lid, but you know, a lid, sort of. Right, smell nothing to do. That's the chicken butter paste going in. 2 minutes. What's it say here? We've got a chicken sauce simmer until chicken is through. That's quite simple, isn't it? What sort of instructions that is? 2 instructions. Easy. Easy dinner. I mean, yeah. That's what it's supposed to look like. It's like saucing it. Oh, that's thick, isn't it? Oh, missed. I feel like it's got something missing. There you go, I'm going to have a roll with dinner tonight. Just a cheese roll that's reduced Saturday today. So here we go. Bit of rice. And I've cooked rice. That'd be alright. That'd be right. And bit of chicken. Definitely some left over. And a bit of cheese on top. Sorted. Right. And just a cheese roll with a bit of kerrygold in the middle of it. Just on the side. Thanks to everyone who's liked the video, watched the video, shared the video. And yeah. Mm. Well, it's definitely spicy. Tastes lovely. Chicken's nice, well done. Cooked. Mm. Right, enjoy your evening, people. Bye bye.